Today's lesson, interconversion of benzene and benzoic acid. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert benzene to benzoic acid and benzoic acid to benzene. So let's get started. Interconversion of benzene and benzoic acid. First of all, benzene to benzoic acid. Here, step 1. Benzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In this case, one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by methyl group. Then this compound is formed. Toluene. HCl is formed as byproduct. Step 2. Toluene is oxidized with acidic potassium dichromate. Then toluene changes to benzoic acid. Here, water is formed as byproduct. We got benzoic acid from benzene. Now let us see benzene from benzoic acid. Now benzene from benzoic acid. In this case, first of all, benzene is treated with sodium hydroxide. There is sodium hydroxide. Then benzoic acid changes to sodium salt of benzoic acid, sodium benzoate. Water is formed as byproduct. Step 2. Sodium benzoate is heated in presence of soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Then sodium benzoate undergoes decarboxylation. Carbon dioxide gets removed, and as a result, sodium benzoate converted to benzene, desired product. Sodium carbonate, soda lime. So we got benzene from benzoic acid. Interconversion of benzene and benzoic acid. Thank you very much.